you get furniture up here?
There is an access point actually below the floor here, so you can actually take out a segment of the ceiling and actually bring your furniture up that way.
Is that common? Is
Yeah,
it?
it is, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think the bed would fit here?
I think that we would struggle with the furniture that we've got. We're going to have to also consider that we've got to put some wardrobes in here because there's no built-in closet. It looks very boxy and very small, and you can't possibly imagine that there's enough space inside of it.
Oh, okay. Small, isn't it?
It's very different from what we have in California, but
It's cute.
the house is
Yeah,
different here.
Look at that view.
Oh, nice.
Oh, this is cute, isn't it?
I know you like entertaining outside,
Yeah.
so somewhere for your barbecue.
Absolutely.
And it's very private, and also you do get a lot of sunshine here as well.
So this is really the only sort of garden
It
that
is,
is on
yeah,
offer for
right.
the
There is
house.
nothing else.
Yeah, nothing else, no.
Right, okay.
I love the inside of this house. I think the living space on the ground floor is outstanding. But to be honest, I'm a bit held back by the fact that there's hardly any garden. I think I kind of envisioned a house with a bit more outdoor space.
And so,
Oh, so much to think about, isn't it? When I pulled up, I thought, what's Brian doing? Why is he taking us here? But it was really surprising with the size and the character. I really kind of like that. But I do have a concern about the no parking and no garage. I'm going to be thinking hard and long about this one.
I think we've got a really big decision ahead of us.
Next.
I'll be intrigued to see which one they go for, because I really can't call it.
So much character in here.
I think each property had some merits.
I like it. I like the open feel
Yeah.
of it.
But it can only come down to one.
I think I'm coming to the same conclusion that you are.
Tomorrow night,
Bring everything you could possibly dream to your backyard and then double it.
Jamie Dury creates